Why are plastic to-go container prices skyrocketing? Especially the black microwavable containers, which are in such high demand. These containers are made from a plastic resin called polypropylene, which is a byproduct of the gasoline refining process. Last year, as the country shut down, we began sheltering in place. We stopped driving as much. Fewer cars on the road meant less demand for gas, so the refineries toggled back production. This reduced the amount of polypropylene resin being produced. Low supply, high demand, prices jumped. And demand for the containers kept increasing as restaurants pivoted to carryout. Unfortunately, polypropylene production grew very slowly. This pattern continued until Hurricane Laura hit the Gulf Coast, followed 2 weeks later by Hurricane Delta. The damage they caused to chemical plants, refineries, and the electrical grid dramatically reduced production, creating even greater shortages. Then, in December, there was a fire at a major resin producer, which took them offline. And another polypropylene producer unexpectedly shut down. Both events adversely impacted supplies. Which brings us to the once in 100 years winter storm that hit Texas in February. The widespread impact, including damage to the power grid, shut resin plants down for days and led to the highest increase in cost per pound ever in a single month. As a result, over 15 polypropylene resin manufacturers have declared force majeure, canceling all contracts and contracted pricing. To help put this into perspective, in May of last year, the price of polypropylene resin was 58 cents a pound. In February of this year, the price was $1.36 a pound. That's a 235% increase. So what does the future look like? Demand for finished goods continues to increase. Restaurant chains are predicting 20 to 30% increases in demand this year over last. The good news is resin suppliers are catching up. As a result, forecasts showing softening in resin prices, which could provide relief on finished good costs. But keep in mind, we're only about 6 weeks from the beginning of hurricane season, and a hurricane in the Gulf could change the supply outlook dramatically.